Have you ever seen those viral animated story videos online? The ones that look like mini movies? They're everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. But here's the thing most people don't know. You can make those same kinds of videos today using just your words. And you don't need any editing skills. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create animated videos using a tool called Novi AI. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and honestly, one of the best tools I've used this year. Let's get started. Novi AI is a text-to-video creation tool that runs on Windows, Android, and iOS. On iOS, it's called Vismo, so don't get confused when you search for it in the App Store. It lets you turn written text into animated videos, complete with music, voiceovers, and beautiful visuals. You can use it to create children's stories, fantasy animations, Bible stories, sleep videos, or anything you can imagine. Let's walk through the process together. First, open the Novi AI app or the desktop version. Click on Create Video. Now you can either write your own story or let the AI help you write one. For this example, I'm typing in, a little boy walking through a snowy village at night. Warm lights glow from the houses. A soft wind is blowing. Ghibli-style animation. Cozy, emotional, magical. Next, choose your animation style. You'll see options like anime, fantasy, Pixar style, Hollywood, and more. Let's go with Ghibli style for this one. Click Generate, and in under 2 minutes, Novi AI builds your full animated video, scene by scene, with voice, music, and effects. You can preview the video and edit anything you want. Change the background music, swap the voice style, adjust the pacing, or replace a scene. It's all drag and drop simple. Now here's what makes Novi AI different from other tools. 1. It's all in one. No need to jump between apps. You can write, animate, narrate, and edit in one place. 2. It supports image to animation. Just upload a photo and Novi will turn it into an animated scene. Perfect for visual storytelling or turning old photos into short films. 3. It's lightning fast. You can generate a full 5-minute story in just 2 minutes. 4. It supports over 60 languages with multiple voice styles. Whether you want to make content for global audiences or narrate in your native tongue, it's all built in. 5. There's a growing library of novels and stories you can use directly. Just pick one, and Novi helps you turn it into a full animated video. And 6. The Ghibli-style trend is super hot right now. Peaceful, nostalgic, emotional. You can join that trend easily with just one click. Now let's talk about monetization. Can you make money with Novi AI? Absolutely. Creators are using it to build bedtime story channels, animated Bible stories, sleep stories with calming music, TikTok reels with short aesthetic animations. You can even sell videos to clients or build a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. And the best part? You get 30 free coins when you sign up. No payment required. So if you've been thinking about starting a story channel, an AI-based creative brand, or you just want to explore what's possible with text-to-video AI, download Novi AI using the link in the description and try it today. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more AI tools, walkthroughs, and tutorials like this every week. I'll see you in the next one.